towards your living and dining area, which is rectangular. So this side is the kitchen area. You can check out the interior work, master bedroom with the wooden finishing tiles. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Brain Ananta project, which is located in Kanakpura main road in Bangalore. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK sample flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And now about the land parcel. So the land parcel of Brain Ananta project is just 200 meters away from the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 3.2 acres of land parcel with 2 premium towers. So this is a tower of basement ground plus 24 floors, and another tower of basement ground plus 18 floors. And in this project you'll be getting purely 3 BHK residencies. And now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of here this site is the multi-purpose court, the garden area, walking track, clubhouse, the spacious grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like gymnasium, yoga deck and many more. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located on Kanakpura main road in Bangalore. So now let me show you the Kanakpura main road. So this is the Kanakpura main road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Nice Ring Road, and on the opposite side will connect you towards Kanakpura. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living Ashram in 1.4 kilometers. Kaggalipura Lake is 2.6 kilometers away from the project, and even you can connect to D-Mart within 8 kilometers of the project. So this is your 3 BHK at Ananta of 1668 square feet super built up area. Now let's have a look at it. So once you enter, you can check out the beautiful and spacious foyer area. So you can easily add up your decor or else the shoe rack over here. Now we'll be entering towards your living and dining area, which is rectangular. So this part of the house where you can set your sofa set or couches in front of your TV unit as the part of your living area. Now just beside it, it is a dining area over here where you can easily set your 6 seaters of dining table exactly in front of your kitchen area. But the best part, you can enjoy your meal from this beautiful scenic view where you can get the balcony, which is 3-side covered anti-skid tiles and the iron railing as well. Now about the kitchen area. So this side is the kitchen area. You can check out the interior work done with the parallel fitting platforms, cabinets, and here you have been provided with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now about the utility area, yes. So just follow me. This side is the utility area, the spacious utility area. You can check out the platform is over here. Here you can find out the window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. Now one thing to mention, that this unit is in butterfly concept. So your master bedroom on my left hand side and other bedrooms on my right hand side. So here we go. This side is your bedroom number 1, where you can enter and check out the bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, and even you can add up a work table or a study space over here. Now let's move further. So once you move out of your room, you can find out the common washroom. So the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and the CP sanitary fittings. Now about bedroom number 2, which is over here, where you can find the lobby space for your privacy. There is no direct bed space. You need to enter and then you can check out the bed space and the beautiful Juliet balcony, that is a standing balcony with anti-skid tiles and iron railing. This is the wardrobe space over here, and this bedroom is attached to the washroom as well. So this side you can find out the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving out and check the master bedroom, but before that let me inform you about all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features in the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom. So walking through your living and the dining area. This is your master bedroom with the wooden finishing tiles. And once you enter again from this lobby space, this side is your bed space. Your bedroom space with a bed space over here, the wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe space and a window for ventilation and the lighting purpose. Now about the washroom. Yes, so this side is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now as you all know, we are here at Kanakapura Road. Have you checked on the project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information of the project is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.